Percy Spencer was working with radar equipment during World War II. One day, while testing a magnetron, he noticed the chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. Curious, he tried popping popcorn near the device. It exploded. Next, he put an egg. It cooked instantly. He realized microwaves could heat food. In 1945, he patented the first microwave oven. At the time, it was nearly 6 feet tall and cost $5,000. Today, it's in almost every home. And all because of a melted chocolate bar. Sometimes, the biggest inventions happen by accident.